Welcome to this lecture from Neville Goddard's The Power of Awareness. Today, we explore Chapter 1, The Law and its Operation. This is the foundation of all conscious creation, the law behind everything you see, feel, and experience. Everything in your world, everything you touch, experience, and react to is a reflection of your consciousness. Your inner state isn't just influencing your reality, it is your reality. Consciousness is the source of creation. It is both the cause and the substance of the world around you. So if you want to change your life, change your health, your relationships, your career, your emotional state, there's only one place to go: within. Everything begins in consciousness. Neville explains that consciousness has two sides: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is personal, deliberate, and selective. It chooses, it imagines, it decides. The subconscious mind is impersonal, receptive, and automatic. It accepts whatever the conscious mind impresses upon it. This is the creative relationship, like male and female. The conscious initiates ideas. The subconscious receives and brings them into form. This is how creation works. First, you imagine something. Then, through feeling, that idea is passed into the subconscious. Once accepted, the subconscious moves into action, silently and mysteriously, and brings it into visible expression. The subconscious never argues. It doesn't analyze. It simply takes what you impress upon it as truth. So what determines what gets through? Feeling. Feeling is the bridge. It is the only way an idea travels from conscious to subconscious. You can't just think a thought. You must feel it as true. Whatever you consistently feel to be true, good, bad, or indifferent, must be expressed in your life. This is why your emotional state matters more than any outward effort. This is why what you feel about yourself becomes what others reflect back to you. Your feeling is what your subconscious accepts. So if you want to change anything in your life, you must begin by changing what you feel to be true about yourself. This doesn't mean suppressing or pretending. It means disciplining your mind to dwell only in states that match your ideal. To train yourself to feel what supports your joy, your purpose, your wholeness. Because whatever you feel, you are planting. And the subconscious, like a fertile womb, must give birth to whatever it receives. If you feel lack, you will live in lack. If you feel wholeness, you will begin to see it everywhere. This law is exact. It is always at work, whether you are conscious of it or not. So the only question is, what are you feeling now? To truly live in alignment with this law is to never dwell in what you don't want. Never indulge in emotional reactions to things you wouldn't wish to multiply. Never feed the seeds of fear, judgment, or limitation. Because every time you feel something, you impress it upon the subconscious. And the subconscious doesn't forget. It doesn't reason. It simply creates. If a negative feeling gets through, the only way to dissolve it is to replace it with a stronger, more empowering one. The dominant feeling is what takes root. That's why saying, "I will be happy," is not nearly as powerful as "I am happy." "I will" implies that it's still far away, but "I am" anchors it in the now, and only what is felt as true in the present moment can manifest. So if you want your desire to become real, you must feel that it already is. You must stop reaching and start being. This is the essence of the law. The wish must be felt not as something you hope for in the future, but as something that already exists in you now. The power is already within you. Choose your thoughts wisely, feel deliberately, and remember, you are always creating, whether you mean to or not. If this inspired you, share it, save it, and return to it often. Until next time, imagine wisely, feel fully, live consciously.